we have been told through generation that study hard, get better marks, get 90%. If you don't get 90% or above 90, you are going to fail in your life. But what I saw, it completely changed a lot of the narratives that I was told by my parents and by the society. Hi, I'm Shaheen, and in today's video I'm going to tell you something that is completely going to change your belief system that you have been following and you have been believing in. So there was this girl in my school. She was the brightest student in our entire school. She would always score above 90 in all of the subjects. Everyone had predicted her future. Everyone thought that she was going to have the most successful career after school. She was going to be that person who has the most high income or high income generating job. But there was this another girl in our school, the weakest one. Everyone might have had these two types of student, right? So teacher would look down on her a lot for being so reckless about her studies, being so negligible. She would hardly get enough marks to even pass in the examination. My friend and I used to think that she is going to suffer in her future, she is going to suffer in her career. It's been 5 years since I have completed my schooling and graduation as well. So, the brightest student I talked about, I recently got to know about her that she is unemployed right now. She is literally struggling to get a single job. Someone just said that she has every time she applies for a job, she gets rejected. And this, I was jaw dropped to even hear this. When I heard about the second girl who was a weaker student, she's making around 45,000 a month. She has recently bought herself an iPhone and gifted herself a gold chain, and she's just literally making her parents feel proud. And of course, I'm not a materialistic person and I don't admire people for having an iPhone or for having a gold chain, but still, in India, your income is enough that you can buy yourself an iPhone and a gold chain. It's still a big deal. Of course, the intention of this video is not to judge people based on their income, but still, we were told that if you study hard, if you get better marks, you are going to thrive in your career. But what I just saw, it is completely opposite. So, after thinking a lot and processing this whole situation, I realized something really deep, really profound that I believe everyone watching this video needs to know. So, you see, what's happening in India right now or in any other country is that it's easier to get a degree now. Almost every student you see now has a degree. So, if you believe that your degree is going to land you a high income job or it is going to help you build a thriving career, it's not. The market has changed. Now, recruiters don't care how much you score in your 10th or your 12th, whether you were a topper or whether you scored above 90. What they look at and what they genuinely want from you is that whether or not you can solve their problem and the amount of value that you bring to their company. This is what matters to them, and not the degree or the institute you pursued your degree from. Coming back to the story, what led both of those girls to where they are right now is one and only thing, a skill. The girl who scored higher, who was a bright student, could not get a job is because I came to know that she did not learn any skill. She just kept on making a stack of degree instead of building real life skills. Skills that recruiters actually look for and skills that people are ready to pay high income for. Whereas the girl who was weaker, who was quite weak academically in my school, she was able to get a high income job. The reason was simple. She learned skill. From the very first day of her graduation, she had started learning a skill which was graphic designing. She did internship, she took courses, she just focused all of her attention on building that skill, honing that skill, getting better at that skill. She worked so hard that after completing her graduation, she was job ready. So, I wanted to tell you this story because a lot of students right now they still are unaware of this important fact that uh, what degree you do in today's time, especially in today's AI driven era, does not matter. However, the skill that you build or that you combine on top of that are the ones which is going to land you a high income job. And when you get your high income job, of course you will be able to build your dream life. You would be able to buy anything under the sun. It just depends on your preferences and on your wishes. And if you are someone who does not want to end up like the previous girl, the that bright student from my school, then please pay your attention to this fact and use your time very wisely. Please stop scrolling mindlessly on your phone. So thank you so much for watching this video. If this video resonated with you, let me know in the comment section, and stay tuned for my upcoming videos and content. Thank you so much for watching.